you need to run to me now. So you learn how to derive the Clasius-clapeyron equation. You are even lucky that you were given what to work on. So I don't think this should be your problem. This shouldn't be your problem. Here you go. Differential of P over differential of T equals to change in heat of vaporization over temperature, so that this one will be multiplied by the pressure over what? Over RT. I believe you know the origin of this. Well, let us derive what we need to derive here. Come on, Joe. Come closer. So this expression that you have in this place, bring it here, implies that you are going to have differential of P over differential of T equals to change in what? Change in heat of vaporization over what? Over T multiplied by what? Pressure over RT. Okay, so the next thing that will happen is that these two that you have here, multiply them together. What are you going to have? That will be VAP over T, then multiply by P over what? Over RT. And that will give you what? That is change in this one here, VAP, followed by P over, this one will give you R followed by T square. Okay, we are not done. So the next thing you are going to do now is to integrate. You integrate. So when you integrate, what will happen? You are going to have, that will be the P over P equals to, what are you going to have there? You are going to have, that will be heat of vaporization over R. So in this place, sorry, multiply by integrating, you limit, so that P1 to give you P2, so that T1 to give you what? To give you T2. So you are going to have P1, P2 rather, P1, so that you are going to have the P here equals to, you are going to have T2, T1 in this place. So you are going to have the T over what? T square in that place. So the next thing you are going to do is you introduce, so when you introduce lane, what are you going to have there? For this and this, we remove. We are going to have, that will be lane of P2 over P1.
That's T1 over 1 over T1, 1 over T2 to give, that will be T2 minus T1. Close the bracket. So the next thing you are going to do now is this 2.303, you bring it to where there is R. So you are going to have log P2 over P1 equals to change in heat of vaporization over 2.303 R into bracket T2 minus T1 over T2 times T1, close bracket. So the next thing we are going to do now is this equation here can also be rewritten in this form. (2.303 R) followed by heat of vaporization followed by log P2 over P1 all divided by T2 minus T1 over T2 times T1, bracket it up. So this implies that the equation you are seeing here can also be written in this manner. So you see that you write it like the upper one or you write it like the lower one. So that is that about that there. So make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channels for more videos. Make sure you like, share my videos as well. And if you have any question, you can reach me through my channel. Thank you.